15 foods rich in collagen that can transform your skin, hair, bones, and health. Did you know that the secret to younger skin, shiny hair, and healthy joints could be in your diet? Why do some people don't seem to age as quickly as others? Is it possible to delay the signs of time and maintain the body's vitality with something as simple as the right foods? Collagen, an essential protein, may be the key to this transformation. But how does this substance work in the body, and what happens when we start to lose collagen naturally over the years? Get ready to discover how incorporating collagen-rich foods into your routine can bring surprising benefits to your health and appearance. Let's get started. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, accounting for around 30% of all protein in the body. It works as a kind of glue that holds together the different structures of the body, including skin, bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, hair, and nails. In addition to structuring tissues, collagen plays a crucial role in wound healing and cell regeneration. There are at least 16 different types of collagen, but the most common in the body are types 1, 2, and 3. Type 1 is found mainly in the skin, bones, and tendons, while type 2 is present in cartilage, and type 3 is abundant in more flexible tissues, such as blood vessels and regenerating skin. A fascinating feature of collagen is its ability to send signals to the body. These messages can stimulate cell regeneration and fight inflammation, helping to repair damage caused by injury or aging. However, over time, natural collagen production decreases, resulting in signs such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and weakened joints. Therefore, knowing how to preserve and stimulate collagen production is essential for anyone looking to maintain the health and youth of their body. Ready to find out why collagen production decreases and how to reverse this process? Why does collagen production decrease with age? From the age of 25 or 30, the human body begins to gradually reduce collagen production. This process is natural and is associated with cellular aging and genetic factors. However, there are other elements that can accelerate this reduction, further damaging the health of the skin, bones, and joints. Among the main factors are excessive exposure to the sun, which destroys collagen fibers, and the consumption of excess sugar, which interferes with the protein structure, weakening its functions. Chronic stress also plays a significant role, as high levels of the stress hormone cortisol can inhibit collagen synthesis. Furthermore, environmental factors such as pollution and smoking generate free radicals, which attack collagen fibers and accelerate their wear. Over the years, this reduction affects not only the aesthetics, but also the functionality of the body. Wrinkles, sagging skin, weakening of bones and cartilage, as well as joint pain, are some of the visible consequences of this loss. Understanding why this occurs is the first step in combating the effects of collagen reduction and finding ways to preserve it. But are there alternatives to bypass this process? Keep reading to discover more about hydrolyzed collagen and how it can be a powerful ally on this journey. What is hydrolyzed collagen? Hydrolyzed collagen is a form of collagen that has undergone a process called hydrolysis. In this process, collagen molecules are broken down into smaller particles, known as peptides, to facilitate their absorption by the body. When consumed, hydrolyzed collagen is absorbed in the intestine and distributed throughout the body through the bloodstream. This hydrolyzed form has high bioavailability, which means the body can use it more efficiently. The main advantage of hydrolyzed collagen is its ability to stimulate cells responsible for producing natural collagen, such as fibroblasts, promoting tissue regeneration. It is especially used in dietary supplements to treat or prevent conditions related to skin, joint, and bone health. Scientific studies indicate that regular consumption of hydrolyzed collagen can improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and strengthen bones and cartilage. Bookmark. Furthermore, it is common to combine hydrolyzed collagen with other nutrients, such as vitamin C, to enhance its absorption and benefits. However, it is important to highlight that the results vary from person to person and depend on the dose ingested and the consistency of consumption. Now that you know what hydrolyzed collagen is, are you ready to understand why it is essential to include foods rich in collagen in your diet? Why consume foods rich in collagen? Consuming foods rich in collagen is essential to compensate for the natural reduction of this protein that occurs with aging. Although the body produces collagen, factors such as age, stress, and environmental exposure compromise this production over time. A diet rich in natural sources of collagen can help maintain skin elasticity, strengthen bones, improve joint health, and promote healthy hair and nail growth. What's more, foods rich in collagen don't just offer this protein. They also contain other vital nutrients, such as amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which work together to support cell regeneration. One of the great benefits of consuming collagen through food is that it is metabolized naturally, allowing the body to use it exactly where it is most needed. For example, while type 1 collagen is aimed at skin and bone health, type 2 acts predominantly on cartilage, helping with mobility and preventing joint pain. It is worth mentioning that, to optimize collagen absorption, it is important to associate these foods with a balanced diet rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for collagen synthesis and to protect existing fibers against wear. Furthermore, by prioritizing foods rich in collagen, you can avoid the need to rely exclusively on supplements, making your diet more sustainable and natural. But what are these foods and how can they transform your health? Below, you will discover the 15 most effective foods to increase your collagen levels and rejuvenate your skin, hair, bones, and health. 15 foods to increase your collagen. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is considered one of the best natural sources of collagen. It is made by boiling animal bones and connective tissues, releasing collagen, minerals, and other nutrients into the liquid. Rich in type 1 collagen, this broth also contains important amino acids, such as glycine and proline, which help with cell regeneration and skin health. Additionally, bone broth is an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which helps strengthen bones and joints. Including it in your diet is a practical and nutritious way to keep your collagen levels high. 2. Chicken. Chicken is widely used as a source of collagen, especially for its connective tissues. The richest parts, such as the neck and cartilage, are often used in the production of collagen supplements. These areas contain type 2 collagen, which is essential for joint and cartilage health. Consuming chicken regularly not only provides collagen, but also high-quality proteins that contribute to muscle building and overall body health. 3. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood are exceptional sources of marine collagen, which is highly bioavailable. The least popular parts, such as skin and scales, contain the greatest amount of type 1 collagen. This type of collagen is especially effective in promoting skin elasticity and combating the signs of aging. Additionally, marine collagen is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which offer anti-inflammatory properties and help maintain cardiovascular health. 4. Egg whites. Egg whites are rich in proline, an essential amino acid for the production of collagen in the body. This food helps repair tissues and maintain muscle health. Additionally, egg whites are a lean source of protein, making them a healthy option for those looking to increase their collagen levels without adding too many calories to their diet. 5. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. This vitamin not only promotes collagen production, but also protects existing fibers against oxidative damage. Adding citrus fruits to your daily routine is a simple way to stimulate skin regeneration and strengthen your immune system. 6. Red fruits. Red fruits, such as strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, are rich sources of antioxidants and vitamin C. Antioxidants help protect the body's existing collagen, fighting damage caused by free radicals. Furthermore, the vitamin C present in these fruits is essential for collagen production, making them a powerful complement to skin health. Consuming berries regularly can improve skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and sagging. 7. Tropical fruits. Fruits like mango, pineapple, and guava are full of vitamin C and other nutrients that stimulate collagen production. Guava, for example, contains twice the vitamin C found in oranges, in addition to providing lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the skin. These tropical fruits are also rich in water, helping to hydrate the skin and contributing to a healthier and more radiant appearance. 8. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood when it comes to promoting collagen health. Rich in sulfur, It helps with collagen synthesis and prevents its degradation. Additionally, garlic contains taurine, a compound that helps repair damaged collagen fibers. Adding garlic to your diet not only improves joint and skin health, but also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits for the body. 9. Green leafy vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and chard are excellent sources of chlorophyll, an antioxidant that helps protect collagen against damage caused by free radicals. These vegetables are also rich in vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production and strengthens the immune system. Including them regularly in the diet contributes to general health, promoting cell regeneration and improving the appearance of the skin. 10. Beans. Beans are a rich source of amino acids and copper, both of which are necessary for collagen synthesis. Additionally, they offer high-quality proteins and are an affordable and versatile option for a variety of diets. By consuming beans regularly, you strengthen not only your skin, but also your bones and joints, promoting robust and balanced health. 11. Cashew nut. Cashew nuts are rich in zinc and copper, two minerals essential for the production of collagen in the body. Zinc stimulates cell regeneration, while copper helps bond collagen fibers, making them stronger and more resilient. Additionally, cashew nuts are a practical source of healthy fats, vegetable proteins, and antioxidants, which contribute to skin and joint health. 12. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the body's collagen against damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, tomatoes contain vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production. Adding tomatoes to your diet can help keep your skin firmer, reduce signs of aging, and strengthen blood vessels. 13. Peppers. Peppers, especially red ones, are rich in vitamin C and capsaicin, a compound that fights inflammation and stimulates collagen production. They are also easy to include in your diet, whether in salads, stir-fries, or as a snack. With antioxidant properties, peppers help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. 14. Avocado. Avocado is a rich source of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which help protect the body's existing collagen. It also promotes skin hydration, leaving it softer and more radiant. Furthermore, consuming avocado helps with cell repair and preventing damage caused by external factors, such as pollution and UV rays. 15. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis. They also contain antioxidants and fatty acids that contribute to the health of skin, hair, and nails. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet, whether as a snack or in salads, is a simple and effective way to promote collagen production and improve overall health. Now that you've discovered the power of collagen and how these 15 foods can transform your health and appearance, it's time to take action. Incorporating these ingredients into your daily routine could be the missing step to keep your skin radiant, your hair strong, your joints healthy, and your body full of vitality. Remember, a balanced diet is the foundation for a healthy body and a balanced mind. Prioritizing natural, nutrient-rich foods not only strengthens collagen in your body, but also improves your quality of life as a whole. Be creative when preparing your meals and take advantage of every opportunity to take care of yourself. And never forget, before starting any dietary change or supplementation, consult a healthcare professional to ensure you are doing the best for your body. Invest in your health today and reap the benefits of a stronger, younger, more resilient body in the future. Because taking care of yourself is the greatest gift you can give yourself. Are you ready for this transformation? The choice is in your hands.